Hi, this is another video about self-watering printer. I got another video about self-watering printer for indoor print, and this gonna be for outdoor. And I have a print over that side and this side. And because this is a big part, so I'm thinking maybe I can turn this into self-watering. So here's the idea I'm thinking. I got this container and it's gonna be for storage the water. And the top here is adding the water, and here is the wick. So I'm gonna fit this one into this container. So first I show you how I make this top first. Here's the lid, and here is the cap. I draw the hole on the cap, and here is a water bottle. I cut off the top of water bottle, and this water bottle has longer neck, so I think this works perfect. So I put them together like this, and it's gonna be perfect tight, so it's not gonna fall off. And I have a cap here, and draw a hole here, and you can put the cap back on, so it won't fall off. Pretty good. And here's the container, and look the inside, the wick all the way to the bottom, touch the bottom. And about the wick, in my other video I was using cloth, and the people told me yes, the cloth will break down about 1 month. You break down so quick. So this material I'm choosing is polyester, and it shouldn't break down. I have the polyester in hand is very thin, so I combine 3 become 1, so I make it like this, a little thicker, so that way it will pull more water out and quicker. Because this is gonna be for outdoor, and the temperature is gonna be very hot, so I'm hoping the water pull out quicker and more. So maybe if I find out the soil is not too dry, not enough water, I might able to add some hole here and put some wick more, or maybe I need to choose different material or thicker wicks. I'm not sure. This is my first time trying, so see how it turns out. And the other thing I'm worried about, this container is very long, and if the water is very low, is that able to pull the water out from all the way bottom to outside the container? So I'm not sure. This is another thing I need to think about. And so inside this part, I put some gravel on the bottom, so for the drainage, and I put this container inside like this. I don't know if you can see, and so you can sit flat on the bottom, and then okay, like this. So you put the container here, you have a lot of space for the water. You also still have a lot of space for the soil here. And I will add the soil about this high, so I still can add the water from the top here. And I also have a container like this, and it perfect fit for this. Become a cap. So I didn't need to add the water, I just take it off, add the water, and cover up so the soil or any bugs it won't drop in here. And I just thinking maybe this should work. Have a lot of soil, so I don't know, it should work. Oh, and the other thing I think about is I didn't put the weight out from the top. I put the weight come out from the bottom on the side here, because I thinking maybe I put the soil this much, and the weather gonna be so hot, so maybe the soil will dry out too quickly. So maybe maybe it won't work that well. So I put the wick on the side. Hopefully it makes sense. And this is my first time trying, so I don't know. I will give you some update later on. So thank you for watching. I hope this will work. And if you have any suggestion, you can